Hey y'all. So why am I making this video? Because not for sympathies as much as for continued prayers, but also to let you know what it's really like living in a little tiny trailer in the middle of the desert. So, living off grid, that's what it is. It's what I got. And I'm very grateful because most everything is held together. But as you'll see, it's just kind of life in the desert and what things happen, the potential. And because, you know, there are people that watch my videos that live real similar to I do, the way I do. As you'll see in the video, I am tired. I am in pain. I'm kind of at a loss as to how to or what to do. So I no longer have refrigeration, and that means I'm eating funky foods, mostly carbs that do not have to be cooked or prepared. Fresh vegetables, yeah, a thing of my past. I might get some apples though when I go to the store. At least I'll have apples. Haven't had those in a while. But you'll see me cry, and then you'll see me in the morning when I hadn't really come to a realization of what I've got to do. I did some stuff to prepare and kind of recover and keep myself from getting overheated today. It's 97 degrees out there, they say, with a high of 96. But evening's coming, a low of 79. Probably because big old wonkin' storm's gonna blow through again. Yay! Life's an adventure. Hold on to your butts. It's about time you think just would be nice to have things settle down and be routine. For those of you who are like, oh, my life is such a routine. It could be this. Right now. And I did manage to get a lot of the cleaning up in here, because when my swamp cooler came out of the window, it blew in dirt. So it's taken dust to a whole new level. So I got all the dirt out of my bed, off of my bed, the window screen pieces that were laying everywhere, got all that cleaned up, got my counters cleaned off, and set up so I could come in for the afternoon. And so anyway, there's that. And then there's the rest of the video that's going to be really long. So for those of you who really love and adore me and want to know what's happening, stay tuned. And I would like to point out, in the video, I show you on the back side where all my bins are with all my stuff. I've been having a dilemma about what to do. And when I saw what happened, lids blew off, all of my clothing that's in there and fabrics, because I do sew on occasion. I'm pretty much going to get rid of the stuff, because usually what I do to get rid of it is to make it into something. But and maybe I will. But the point is that those bins have got all my worldly possessions in them, such as it is, and they're sitting out in the monsoons. And so they say this is what the monsoons are like. Wow. But to encourage you, and that's really what these videos are for, is to kind of let you things could be worse. You could be living in a tiny trailer in desert, southern Arizona, with not wind advisories, but dust storm advisories. And what do you get when you're in a dust storm and there's a thunderstorm with it? It rains mud. Oh my gosh. And just think, I was all worried about snakes and scorpions and all that stuff. Should I really post this, y'all? Y'all really want to know? Or should I just keep it to the good stuff? I don't know. Y'all kind of used to me being, this is what real life is. So, on to the show. Whatever. Hey. Yeah, I laugh because look at me. I'm trying to get the sand out of my hair. I had just taken a shower yesterday, and when the storm hit, I went out and, well, actually, I texted Bob, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, because I could hear things flying and hitting, and I didn't know what was happening because I can't see out the windows, and Buddy was terrified, sitting in my lap, so you're going to get to see what it was like on the inside of the trailer. Hey, Buddy. While it was happening. So anyway, I filmed some stuff this morning thinking, oh, it's not so bad, not so bad. Well, it is. It is that bad. And so Bob wanted to go to breakfast, and I'm like, I need a break because I did what I could do this morning, I thought, as much as I could do. And my poles, it's hard to explain, on the shade cloth there's a pole, and it had little end caps that helped me hold it in place, and those got busted. So I was going to drill holes, and Bob brought me a drill bit. There goes a jet over top. I'm a little freaked out about everything now. Anyway, I couldn't get the drill bit to drill a hole. So I'm like, okay, well, I'll just try to stake it down best I can. And the little stakes I have, they won't stay in the ground. So I guess I need to find something that'll, I don't even know what to do. So while I'm at breakfast, Buddy's in here, and he tore out the only window I have, and he tore up the screen. It's totally demolished. And now it's too late for me to go and and I don't want to go. I'm tired. I feel like I've been run over by a truck. The second storm didn't get done last night till after midnight, and there's sand and dirt in my bed. There's mud everywhere. There's oh my goodness, everything's out of order. So Bob might go to Ajo today. I'm planning on going tomorrow. I can't go today because I'm running around outside yesterday because when I texted Bob, he came up because my swamp cooler was blowing out of my window, which you'll see in the video. And so I see him and I go outside, and one of the tarps had pulled up a stake. I think it's over 2 foot long, and it was flying like that demo. It was frightening because we're 50-mile-an-hour winds with a 2 foot long metal stake flailing about. So all those tarps got taken down. I call them tarps. They're shade cloths. And they're all in the front of my truck, in my front seat. Okay, sorry. It's just such a mess. Everything's just, I thought I was prepared. And even people here that have been here and seen storms come through say they've never seen anything like it. It knocked one guy's little trailer off of the stands, and so it's sitting all wonky over there. So anyway, it was. And the wind came from a totally different direction than it usually does. So I was ill prepared. But the amazing thing is, so much didn't get destroyed. But anyway, I was running around in the wrong shoes in my back. It's just, it hurts so bad. And of course, Bob will help me, but, you know, he's got his own mess to deal with right now. So, Betty's going to go take a nap. Maybe it'll be better. Or it won't be better, but I'll be better able to deal with it. Boy. So, stay tuned. I'll show you what happened. Yeah, there's the big tree branch I lost. And all this came down. Well, actually, Bob and I grabbed it in the 50-mile-an-hour winds without killing ourselves because it had a... Oh, here, I'll show you. There's the buddy. Poor buddy. He was terrified. Till after midnight last night. Tore up all my shade I had hanging there, but look at there. Now, granted, it fell down, but my cover in there, but it held on. And then it came through twice. First time did the most damage. Here, check this out. Ouch. That's some pretty strong wind. But look here. I'm not going anywhere, buddy. Buddy's crying. Where are you going without me? Okay. Look at there. My panels held. I had them bolted down pretty good. Grateful for that. Well, all this. And now you see, that's all my stuff. And it got rained on. It got blown out across the desert. I went over there on the other side of the road. A bunch of my stuff was over there. I don't know how these are. I put them up in 50-mile-an-hour winds. So, these stakes held pretty good over here, but these got thrown because the little ones, and this ground is soft over here. So,
This is the one I got to get to work on and see how it did, because the sun's coming in and there's all the mess. Those are things I collected for after the first go round, and it's not too bad. I lost some solar lights. They're laying in a pile over there. It tore them up. At least half of them. It's 100 lights and 50 of them are still with me. So, oh wait, you can't see it from here. Let's see. I got lights up there on, but see, it held. It looks like, thank you, Scott. Took a licking, but it's still standing. And of course it kept the rain out. You can kind of see the contrast. So, oh, where is it? There it is. Love y'all.